Systems come with a power supply, which is secured to the rear of the unit.
Some systems will come with the power supply in an inverted position.
To remove the power supply, first remove the side panel. Then detach all power connectors to system drives and to the motherboard. Next, detach the 4 screws that connect the power supply to the PC. Press the latch at the bottom of the power supply and pull the power supply out of the PC. Always replace the entire power supply. Never attempt to work within the power supply unit. There is a latch, a guide, and a ledge on the PC that helps secure the power supply in the PC. To replace the power supply, align it towards the guide and the ledge, then slide it back until it locks into place next to the latch. Reattach the 4 screws at the rear of the chassis.
Note, the screws are in different locations if the power supply is installed in an inverted position.
Remember to reconnect all power connectors to system components and to the motherboard.